Samsung's Odyssey lineup has spawned some of the best gaming monitors that we have ever seen. Starting from the entry-level Odyssey G3 to the brilliantly curved Neo G9, this series covers most of the gaming aspects that a gamer looks for in a monitor. However, the Odyssey G5 might just be the perfectly balanced gaming monitor that belongs in this series. It's a marvelous gaming monitor that features a stunning design and good overall gaming performance. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Samsung Odyssey G5 to figure out whether it lives up to its potential. So, without further ado, let's get started. This advanced monitor's design is simply stunning, especially the infinity core lighting located at the back that showcases elegant lighting effects. And then, we have the V-shaped stand that provides sturdy support for the entire monitor and keeps it stable. Unlike most curved monitors, the Odyssey G5 has a perfect curvature of 1000R that makes on-screen contents comfortable to view with less neck strain, which can be quite difficult to achieve in a dual monitor setup. Why spend a hefty amount of money on two monitors when the G5 is comparably more affordable? It comes in three size variants: 27, 32, and 34 inches. Each has a native resolution of 1440p with HDR10 for greater detail in open-world games. And combined with the 144Hz refresh rate, this monitor will let you react more quickly in competitive games such as Call of Duty Warzone and Valorant. However, the brightness is quite minimal at only 250 nits. Moreover, this monitor supports FreeSync Premium to keep the screen tearing and lag down to a minimum, so that you experience fewer frame drops while playing those competitive games. For connectivity, you get one HDMI 2.0 port and one DisplayPort 1.2 port. Along with this monitor, that's just about right for pairing it up with a gaming console or PC. And lastly, this monitor has minor adjustability, as you can just tilt it 2 degrees forward to 18 degrees backward. And that is pretty much it. Finding a suitable monitor with a decent contrast ratio, fast response time, and high refresh rate can be quite a challenge, especially if you're running on a budget. While there are plenty of awesome monitors out there, it's really difficult to find a perfectly balanced one. Odyssey G5 surely ticks all the boxes without even hurting your wallet. While it lacks ergonomics and screen brightness, that won't be a big deal for those who are focused more on high resolution and refresh rate for gaming. To sum things up, the Samsung Odyssey G5 is an outstanding monitor with exceptional design and gaming performance that's currently one of the best 144Hz options available for you. So, that was all about the Samsung Odyssey G5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.